So Bitcoin did go down towards 25,880, and right now it is sitting at 26,100. So the drop was because it was Monday, and we did expect things to actually go downward instead of upward, because we have seen that Monday is always red. Even last week we saw that Monday was red after a green weekend, and this was a green weekend again, and we were expecting it to be red. So no surprises there, and we continue to look for an uptrend on Bitcoin towards 26,500, 27,000, and 27,500. As long as the support of 25,500 holds, we expect Bitcoin to continue to rise and to go and hit these targets. Once these targets are achieved, then we can reevaluate the situation, and then we can say that, okay, now this is what we expect from Bitcoin. And don't forget to attend the live at 1 p.m. Toronto time, Monday to Friday.